What if you could buy a running classic Mustang for just $6,300, a rare Toyota Corona for only $5,000, or even a beautiful Plymouth Fury Convertible for under $5,500? Stay with me, because these 15 classic cars might be the best deals you'll see today.
Car number 1. (1966) Ford Mustang Coupe in Lompoc, California. Our first classic is a 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe in Lompoc, California, listed for $8,000. This two-owner Mustang comes with a 6-cylinder engine backed by a T5 manual transmission, plus a bonus 289 V8 that's ready to be installed. It already has front disc brakes, upgraded wheels, and the seller says there's no rust. It isn't road-ready just yet, needing a battery, cleaned fuel lines, and a valve adjustment. But for someone looking for a solid project with a V8 upgrade included, this one has plenty of potential. Car number 2. (1959) Ford Galaxy 500 Fairlane from Fullerton, California. Next up is a unique 1959 Ford Galaxy 500 Fairlane from Fullerton, California, priced at $9,500. Under the hood is a freshly built 352 V8 with a rebuilt transmission, new brakes, and updated suspension. The biggest talking point is the custom removable hardtop conversion after the original rusty roof was removed. It still needs finishing work, but it's definitely one of the most unusual projects in today's lineup. Car number 3. (1968) Ford Mustang Coupe, located in Modesto, California, with an asking price of $9,500. Details are limited, but the seller mentions just 300 miles shown and is accepting the best offer. Even with very little information, a 1968 Mustang under $10,000 is enough to grab the attention of any classic Ford fan. Car number 4 is a 1950 Chevrolet Style Line in Covina, California, listed for $8,000. Powered by a dependable 350 small block V8 and automatic transmission, this hot rod runs well and comes with a clean title. Whether you're into traditional hot rods or rat rods, this Chevy looks ready to cruise while leaving plenty of room for your own personal style. Car number 5, 1966 Ford Mustang from Fresno, California. Wrapping up Part 1 is another Mustang, a 1966 Ford Mustang from Fresno, California, priced at just $6,300. This one packs a 302 V8 with an automatic transmission and already runs and drives well. The bodywork has been completed and covered in high-build primer, making it ready for final block sanding and paint. The seller mentions only minor floor rust, making this one of the most affordable running V8 Mustangs featured today. Car number 6.
Sell for cruise to 69. Daily driver.
1969 Plymouth Fury III Convertible in Mission Viejo, California. Leading off Part 2 is a 1969 Plymouth Fury III Convertible in Mission Viejo, California, listed for just $5,427. Under the hood is a dependable 318 V8 with an automatic transmission, and the seller says it's still a daily driver. The bright pink paint guarantees attention everywhere it goes. The convertible top and hydraulic system need some work, and it carries a salvage title. But for this price, it's a fun cruiser with loads of personality. Car number 7, 1967 Ford Mustang from San Bernardino, California. Next is a 1967 Ford Mustang from San Bernardino, California, priced at $6,500. This is an unfinished project that reportedly ran before disassembly, and the seller says all of the original parts are included. If you're looking for a Mustang to restore without starting completely from scratch, this could be a worthwhile opportunity. Car number 8, 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix Coupe, listed in Canyon County, California. Car number 8 is a 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix Coupe, listed in Canyon County, California, for $6,500. Powered by the classic 389 V8, it also features fresh Krieger wheels, new whitewall tires, a new timing cover and chain, plus new brakes. It already has a clean title and registration, making it a strong value for anyone wanting a full-size Pontiac with classic muscle. Car number 9. (1950) Dodge Coronet sedan, located in Lake Elsinore, California. Our ninth vehicle is a 1950 Dodge Coronet sedan, located in Lake Elsinore, California, with an asking price of $6,345. The seller says it runs and drives great and has been upgraded with Wilwood hydraulic disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan, electric fuel pump, and refreshed ignition components. The headliner still needs finishing, but much of the hard work has already been completed. Car number 10, 1964 International 900 pickup in Acton, California. Closing out this section is a 1964 International 900 pickup in Acton, California, listed for $8,000. Despite the listing title mentioning Chevrolet, this is an International Harvester 900, a much rarer truck. It comes with a manual transmission, clean title, and the seller says it runs well and presents nicely for its age. If you're after something different from the usual Ford or Chevy pickup, this International definitely stands out. Car number 11.
Year.
68.
Wow.
Runs good.
1968 Toyota Corona from South Pasadena, California. Kicking off the final group is a 1968 Toyota Corona from South Pasadena, California, listed for only $5,000. This rare Japanese classic features a 1.9-liter engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and several useful upgrades, including a Weber carburetor, front disc brakes, a new radiator, and a new fuel pump. It's already running, registered, and ready to enjoy, something you don't see every day. Car number 12, 1964 Ford Clubwagon in Hemet, California. Next is a 1964 Ford Clubwagon in Hemet, California, priced at $6,000. The listing doesn't provide many details, but these vintage Ford vans have become increasingly popular thanks to their unique styling and endless possibilities for restoration, camping, or custom builds. Car number 13 is a 1965 Ford F100 from Pomona, California, listed for $6,500. Information is minimal, but the seller confirms it runs, has a clean title, and is ready for its next owner. Sometimes the simplest listings can still hide a solid classic truck.
Car number 14, 1965 Ford F100 long bed located in San Diego, California. Our next feature is another 1965 Ford F100 long bed located in San Diego, California, with an asking price of $8,000. Powered by Ford's dependable inline-6 and a floor-shift manual transmission, this truck has received a new radiator, alternator, and starter. With beautiful original patina, upgraded Bluetooth audio, and a reputation for reliability, it looks ready for weekend cruises or even daily driving. Car number 15. (1968 Chrysler Imperial from Reno, Nevada. Closing out today's lineup is a 1968 Chrysler Imperial from Reno, Nevada, listed at $8,000. This luxury cruiser is finished in striking purple with a black interior and shows just 68,000 miles. The seller says it runs and drives well, has a clean title, fresh hydraulic components, and attractive paint, making it a distinctive full-size classic to finish today's collection.
Which classic would you take home? The Mustang, the Plymouth Fury Convertible, the Toyota Corona, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this collection of affordable classic cars for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more amazing classic car deals.